This sounds. This is a book about the sounds different things make. How do things sound?
Listen, listen. What do you hear?
How can some things sound? How can some things sound? Look at this rabbit. He says, "This sounds so noisy." This sounds so noisy.
Listen, listen. What do you hear?
And let's listen for the noisy sound. A car can make a noisy sound. This sounds noisy. This sounds noisy. Let's listen to that noisy sound again. That was noisy. Now he is in the forest with some birds. He says, "This sounds so quiet." This sounds so quiet.
Listen, listen. What do you hear?
Let's listen to a quiet sound. This sounds quiet. This sounds quiet. Quiet. Birds chirping is a quiet sound. Oh, now the rabbit is with his pet dog, and he says, "This sounds so squeaky." This sounds so squeaky.
Listen, listen. What do you hear?
It must be that squeaky dog toy. Squeaky. This sounds squeaky. This sounds squeaky. A dog toy is squeaky. Squeaky. And the rabbit has woken up to the sound of his alarm. He says, "This sounds so loud." This sounds so loud.
Listen, listen. What do you hear?
Let's listen to a loud sound. This sounds loud. Loud. Let's listen to the loud sound. Now the bunny is with his pet cat. He says, "This sounds so calm. This sounds so calm."
Listen, listen. What do you hear?
The cat is purring. Purring is a calm sound. This sounds calm. This sounds calm. Calm. This sounds so silly. The rabbit sees a clown honking a horn. This sounds so silly.
Listen, listen. What do you hear?
Listen for the silly sound. This sounds silly. This sounds silly. Silly. That's a silly sound. Oh, and now the rabbit's at a party. This sounds so fun. This sounds so fun.
Listen, listen. What do you hear? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Now that's a fun sound. This sounds fun. A birthday party is fun. This sounds fun. Well, thank you, boys and girls. We got to hear silly sounds, quiet sounds, loud sounds, and fun sounds.